Hi everyone. Today I'm reviewing my grade 1 science book, and I'm also teaching you guys about sound.
What makes sound?
Vibration makes sound.
Good. Can you read for us?
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. That's the sound of a drum. Where does sound come from? Sound comes from vibrations. When you hit the top of a drum, it will vibrate or move over and over very fast. As a drum vibrates, it makes sound waves that moves through the air. Some sound waves are musical.
Good. So here we have many instruments. We want to know how to make sound.
We pluck some instruments.
Good.
We blow some instruments. We hit some instruments. And we shake some instruments.
What is an instrument that we hit?
A drum to make sound.
What is an instrument that we blow?
A trumpet.
Good. What is an instrument that we can pluck? This is called a harp. Can you say the word harp?
Harp. That's a silly name.
Harp. Is there another instrument that you can pluck?
Harp kind of sounds like harp.
You can pluck the guzheng.
Yeah.
You can pluck a guitar.
Yeah.
Or if it has strings, you can pluck that instrument. And what is an instrument that we can shake?
We shake some instruments. It's an instrument.
What is that?
A maraca.
Maracas. That's great. Good. Sound comes from
Vibrations.
vibrations. Good. Which of these are musical? That's right. Good. Here you drew an instrument that we could blow. Do you know what instrument that you drew?
Yes, it's a flute.
That's right. When you hit a drum, what happens? It
Vibrates.
And the vibrations make
Sound waves
good. And these sound waves move
through air.
through the air.